Hello dear farmers, we are here to share some very interesting information from ICAR RC NEH region. The team of scientists here has developed a new variety of turmeric that is known as Megha Turmeric-1 or RCT1. This variety has been a result of careful selection and multiplication of superior clones from Lacadon turmeric. To help us understand more about this remarkable variety, we have Dr. Bilashini, scientist in horticulture from ICAR RC NEH region. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. We are pleased to have you with us today.
Thank you so much for having me and giving me this wonderful opportunity to educate the farmers about the new variety of turmeric, that is Megha Turmeric-1.
Ma'am, to start our discussion, I'll first ask that why the farmers should adopt Megha Turmeric-1 variety and what is so special characteristics of this variety that makes it stand out?
Yes, your Samarki, actually Megha Turmeric-1 is a very promising variety. To start with, a well-managed crop, it will yield up to 25 to 30 tons per hectare. And another most important character of turmeric that decides the quality, that is curcumin. So the curcumin content of Megha Turmeric-1 is very high, that is 6.8 to even up to 7.2% has been reported. And plus the dry matter content is about 20%. So dry matter content means how much quantity of the processed powder you will get from a particular like kg or gram weight of the raw turmeric. So dry matter percentage is also very high, that is 20%. And plus this turmeric variety is reported to be tolerant to very important disease, that is the leaf blotch disease. Yeah.
So ma'am, now we are aware of the unique characteristics and benefits of Megha Turmeric-1. So could you please guide our farmers about the good agricultural practices that they should follow to have a very good yield?
Sure, Samarki. First of all, coming to the climate and soil requirement, just like the other varieties of turmeric, Megha Turmeric-1 also thrives well in warm and humid climate. Like for example, the average temperature should be about 20 to 30 degrees Celsius with a rainfall of 1500 millimeter. And coming to the soil, it can be grown in a well-drained, friable and sandy loam soil rich in organic matter.
Ma'am, after understanding the good agricultural practices, the next important step is field preparation. So could you tell our farmers what kind of field preparation is required for Megha Turmeric-1?
Yes, your Simarki, like first of all, the land has to be plowed very nicely, like 4 to 5 times of plowing is required. Then after that, bed preparation. So proper size and spacing should be given. Otherwise, what happened, most of our farmers, they used to plant they don't adopt the particular spacing. So if that is the case, then in case if disease incidents come, then the disease will spread more. Plus, if you are not giving the proper spacing, the growth of the plant also will be restricted, resulting in lower yield. So here, for bed preparation, the bed size should be 3 by 1 meter. That means it should be of 1 meter wide and 3 meter length. And the spacing should be given at 30 by 30 centimeter. So the spacing may vary according to the land availability also. Like if you have limited land resource, then you can give even 25 by 25 centimeter spacing also. And the bed, while preparing, it should be raised bed. As we all know that Meghalaya especially within the northeastern state, it receives a high amount of rainfall during the monsoon season. So it should be, the bed should be raised bed, like 15 centimeter above the ground level. So this all these important things should be kept in mind while preparing land for cultivation of turmeric.
Ma'am, after land preparation, the next crucial step is sowing. So regarding sowing, can you please let our farmers know the seed rate, the best time of sowing and the seed treatment that is required for this particular variety?
Sure. So the seed requirement, that is seed rate, is about 18 to 20 quintal per hectare. So the farmer, the first thing the farmer should do is they should select the healthy rhizome that is free from diseases or any mechanical injury. So after selecting the healthy rhizome, the next step is they should treat the seed before planting. So the seed treatment For the seed treatment, we can go for chemical treatment if you are not going for organic cultivation. So here, Ditan M45. So at the rate of 2 gram per kg of the rhizome, it can be used for treating the seed rhizome for 30 minutes. But in case your crop is to be certified organically, then we can go for treatment of the seed rhizome with Bordeaux mixture 1% for 30 minutes. And sometime what happen, we can also go for treatment with hot water. Hot water at 48 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So this treatment is very important, and all the farmer should without fail it should be done if you want to get a good crop. And coming to the ideal time of planting, turmeric in the northeastern state is ideally planted from April to May. Yeah.
Ma'am, after sowing, the next crucial aspect is nutrient management. So could you please tell us how and when that fertilizer and manure should be applied for this particular variety?
Yes, Simarki, this is one of the most important step for getting a successful turmeric crop. So first of all, at the time of planting, FYM at the rate of 20 tons per hectare, and then NPK at the ratio of 120 is to 90 kg per hectare should be applied as a vessel dose. And then 1/3 of the nitrogen and full dose of phosphorus and potassium. It has to be applied after 45 days of planting. Then the remaining 1/3 of nitrogen has to be applied after 90 days of planting. This is for the normal cultivation, and for organic cultivation, the farmers should apply 2 tons of neem cake and then 250 kg of rock phosphate along with 20 tons of FYM per hectare. And then after 45 days of planting, 2 tons of vermicompost has to be applied, followed by another 2 tons of vermicompost, 100 kg of sulfate of potash. It has to be applied.
Ma'am, moving forward from nutrient management, we would like to know about intercultural operations. So what are the different intercultural operations that the farmer should follow in order to get optimum yield and a better growth of Megha Turmeric-1?
Yes, sure, Simarki. 3 most important interculture operation are mulching, shade management, and weeding. So we all know that mulching conserves the soil moisture, and then it also enhances sprouting, and it also prevents soil erosion. So farmers can use any locally available material like your dry leaves, then paddy straw is there, and tree leaves. Any type of locally available material can be used for mulching. So mulching should be done 2 times in the whole crop cycle. The first mulching should be done at the time of planting. Then after that, after 40 days of planting. Then coming to weeding, the first weeding has to be done after 40 days. Like for example, it usually comes with the onset of monsoon, like in the months of June. Then this weeding should be followed by hoeing and earthing up from July to September. So if this interculture operation are followed nicely, then the crop yield will be enhanced.
Ma'am, moving towards crop protection, can you please let the farmers know the pest and disease that can infest Megha Turmeric-1 and how should the farmer encounter them?
Yes, sure, Samarki. The main diseases are leaf blots, then leaf spot is there, and rhizome rot incidence is also there. But as far as Meghalaya is concerned, the incidence of leaf blots is very much prevalent here. And coming to the pest, there are some pests like your soot borer, mealybug, and scale. So earlier there were no report of pest in Meghalaya, but nowadays we have seen in some farmers' field also there are incidents of soot borer, and even this mealybug also we could see. So I will not talk in detail regarding this particular topic because we will be having a separate podcast with a crop protection scientist. So only this much I will keep.
Ma'am, moving forward from disease and pest management, next important step is harvesting. So can you please let our farmers know what is the best time to harvest this variety and what is the expected yield of this variety?
Yes, Simarki. Megha Turmeric-1 is a mid-maturing variety. So, it can be harvested after 8 to 9 months of planting.
Okay.
Usually, it used to fall in the month of December. So, just like other variety, the maturity can be seen by yellowing and drying of the leaf.
Okay.
When the whole leaves are dried up, then you can start the harvesting. So, after harvesting, you have to separate the mother and the finger rhizome. So, the mother rhizome is particularly most of the time it is used for planting for the next season, and the finger rhizome are used for processing to other products like your turmeric powder and all. So for this particular variety, under a well-managed crop, it will yield up to 25 to 30 tons per hectare.
Okay. Ma'am, as we have discussed harvesting and yield, the final step is post-harvest management. So can you please let our farmers know what are the different methods of curing and storing in order to preserve the market value and the quality of Megha Turmeric-1?
Sure, Simarki. So after you finish the harvesting, the rhizome has to be cleaned properly, and then just like we have done the seed treatment before planting, the same treatment we have to again do here. So the rhizome should be treated with either Bordex mixture 1% for 30 minutes, or if you are not going for organic, then you can treat with Titan M45 again at the rate of 2 to 3 gram per liter of water. So after treating the rhizome has to be dry properly. It should be set dry properly before storing. So like if you want to store, the storing can be done in the pit. So while storing, the rhizome should not be placed directly over the soil. So before placing the rhizome, you have to either put straw or you can plaster it also. So the main objective is the rhizome should not come in direct contact with the soil to avoid the pathogen attack and all. So these are some of the important steps we should follow before storage. And another thing is you should do boiling of the rhizome before making the powder, so that the color of the final product will be enhanced. Your turmeric powder will be giving good vibrant color if you follow the boiling before making powder.
Dear viewers, we hope you enjoyed the session on Megha Turmeric-1. This variety is bright yellow, bold rhizome and high curcumin content up to 7.2%, and which is resistant to leaf blotch disease. This promises a higher yield and a better income to the farmers. We hope this information inspires you to adopt and cultivate Megha Turmeric-1 in your field. Thank you for joining us today. See you in your next podcast. Till then, take care of your fields. Thank you.
Thank you.